Good morning, guys. So I look a little rough. I'm gonna do my makeup, and I figured that I would just record it and show you guys what I used, and I'm gonna recreate this look I did the other day because a lot of you guys were like, please show me this look. So I'm gonna do that. It's this one. I definitely was having a better hair day in that pic, but so let's do it. If you're not subscribed already, make sure to do that. And if you are, then you probably are gonna recognize a lot of these products. Need some rose water. Now I'm gonna use my Supergoop Mineral Matte sunscreen because gotta wear sunscreen every single day, even in the winter. And this stuff just makes my skin more smooth. Sorry if, oh, okay. Excuse me. Please go away, cloud. I'm gonna use my, I can't talk, stretch concealer in light under my eyeballs. And, okay. This guy, I've been breaking out a little bit. My skincare routine is coming after I stop breaking out. I'm just gonna put concealer anywhere that I need a little bit. It's actually so crazy, like I just looked at, I don't know if there are any for today. I looked at like how Snapchat shows you a year ago, and my skin was so bad. 2 years ago my skin was awful, like so bad. Made me so sad. I don't know if you can see it, but bad, bad, bad. And now, I mean, it's definitely not perfect, but like this is skin that I can work with. I can work with this and it doesn't make me extremely sad. Because when my skin was like that, I was like really, really sad. I would cry about it all the time. Okay, this light is just so bad. I'm sorry. I feel like I have days where I like have like 4 video ideas in one day. Like today, like I'm like, okay, I'm gonna film myself getting ready, and then I have to film for Cat Fridays, and then I want to vlog going to Target, and then tonight I want to do Sage and I are gonna make gingerbread houses drunk. So that's the plan. Just really putting concealer everywhere. I've been working on something exciting and I hope you guys like it. It's nothing too crazy, and I feel like it's almost like not cringy of me doing this, but like, oh, there's the light. Everyone and their mother does this, I feel like. But so many of you have asked me about this particular thing that I figured I would just do it and make it affordable so you guys can actually use it. Any ideas what that might be? Honestly, probably by the time that I upload this, or like tomorrow or really soon, it'll be up. So I don't know why I'm acting with so much suspense. Oh, sorry, I'm just using Shape Tape to like cover up areas that I need more help, more concealing. I'm gonna bronze. This is the Hourglass bronzer in light. It's really beautiful. I got this as a reward for using Super Great. I don't know if you guys have heard of that, but it's like a little app for, this is not sponsored, an app for like makeup reviews, and you just post like really short, it's like Vine but like for makeup reviews, makeup and skincare and hair care, beauty reviews, and you just like post little reviews of things, and then you get coins every time someone watches your review. And yeah, I got this as a reward, and I got this little diptyque candle, and those are like, these are expensive, so it's pretty cool. You guys should check it out. Bronze, bronze, bronze. I'm just using my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow definer. I need to do my brows. I use the shade Taupe. I love this thing. It's so much easier. Like, it's just one big ol' stroke instead of a billion small ones. What are you guys asking for Christmas this year? I'm asking for nothing. I really don't have anything that I want. Like, I don't know. Sage and I usually are kind of boring with our presents, I feel like. Like, we like get each other something really practical, or like something that we were already doing, and then we just make it like the Christmas present. Like, this year we're going to Coachella, or like next year, so we might just get each other our Coachella tickets as like our present. We'll see. Wow, now we're overexposed. So I used the Milani blush in Luminoso. This is such a great shade. Like, I love this color. I've been loving this Nudestix highlighter lately. It's like kind of taken over the place of Halo Scope, but I still love Halo Scope. Anyway, this is the Nudestix all over face color in illumi-naughty. It is one of their like limited edition gift set shades, and it's so good. Like, all the stuff that I got in their limited edition gift sets were like so good that I can't live without them. Like, Crave was this one lip color, and it's the most flattering shade ever. My cousin and I were like freaking out because it's just so beautiful, and it's the exact perfect shade for our skin tones, but it's limited edition. The Laura Mercier Hidden Gems palette, which is beautiful, in the shade, let's see, Polished Brass, and I just put that all over my lids. It's a really pretty shade. It's like orangey, but then there's also like flecks of like, not green, but like some gold. I don't know, I feel like it really complements my eye color. Then I did a little bit of eyeliner in, it's the Marc Jacobs eyeliner in Rococo, my go-to shade. This lighting is literally so bad. I'm so sorry. And I just blend it out with a little blending brush. Glossier Lash Slick for mascara. Yeah, the reflex in this eyeshadow are just really, really pretty. They're like a light green gold. I think I need some more concealer. My forehead has just been acting up lately, and I don't know what for. Now, this is a new discovery that I am obsessed with. The Burt's Bees lipsticks, and this one especially in the shade Suede Splash. They're like $8, really good drugstore price, and they're like moisturizing, like really good ingredients, I'm pretty sure, so that's dope. And you can get it at the grocery store. But I really like this shade. I might set a little bit. I'm just setting my under eyes and where I get oily with, you know, the usual Laura Mercier translucent loose setting powder. I feel like Laura Mercier must have made like most of their money off of this product. Caudalie Beauty Elixir. Let's see how I did. I should have I wish that I could do my makeup over here, but there's just no table or anything over here. But yeah, this is the look. Honestly, really easy. I feel like you guys are gonna be like, oh, that wasn't even anything special, but yeah, I think it's flattering. I really like this lipstick shade. and it's like such a nice formula. It feels like I have chapstick on, which I love. And this eyeshadow color is just really pretty. Let me see. You can probably see all my pores, but yeah, honestly really simple, really easy. Yeah, so that is my get ready with me this morning. Sorry that the light was absolute trash, but I'll just quick say everything that I used on my face again in some good light so you can actually see it. I just prepped my face with rose water, and then I used the Supergoop mineral matte sunscreen, and then I went over it why is my voice like this? Went over it with the Glossier stretch concealer and Tarte Shape Tape to like hide my flaws. And then I used the Hourglass bronzer in light to bronze up my face, the Milani blush in Luminoso, Anastasia Beverly Hills brow definer in taupe, and then the Benefit Gimme Brow. I don't know what shade. I'm like the light shade, I think. I think I'm just the light shade. And then Nudestix highlighter, which by the way, like how stunning is that? And it doesn't make me, I don't think it clogs my pores on my nose as much, the Halo Scope. Like look how pretty that is. The Glossier Halo Scope definitely clogs my pores on my nose. Laura Mercier Hidden Gems eyeshadow palette in the shade Polished Bronze? No. Polished Brass, that's it. Pretty sure. And then Marc Jacobs eyeliner in Rococo, and I blended it out. Glossier Lash Slick. Burt's Bees lipstick in Suede Splash, and Laura Mercier translucent loose setting powder and Caudalie Beauty Elixir. Okay, maybe it is a lot of products. When I say it like that, it sounds like a lot of products, but you know, I feel like whatever. Okay. I need to stop playing with my hair. That is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was super easy, everyday, like natural-ish glam, kind of like within my comfort zone. I thought I would show you guys since you liked it so much in my selfie. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you're not already, at Rohini Elise. I'm going to be doing a week of giveaways starting December 1st, I think I'm going to do. So make sure you follow me there. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. You are the best, and I'll see you later.